So how to start having results, especially with Clickbank affiliate marketing, and how to start having your first $500 days promoting different affiliate offers. You see, one of the most important things when you are running different affiliate offers is that you keep in mind that you have to have the high quality offer with a great upsell take rate. What I mean by that is that you need to pick the offer that's going to produce the most revenue and profit for you as an affiliate. You have to always look after yourself first, so that you make sure that you have a low refund rate and also higher upsell take rate, so that, of course, because of higher upsell take rate, usually you can get 50 to 100% more profit. You see, most of affiliates don't keep in mind this. So if you're an affiliate running these affiliate offers, right, keep in mind that you need to take in consideration your offer first, right? High quality offer, because if you have a high quality offer, the customer will also most likely purchase the rest of the upsells, and this will make up into your profit, so that it will not cut deep into your sales, so that you can have better profit and revenue at the end of the day, or at the end of the month, right? Each cycle, especially on Clickbank, right? If you're getting paid weekly. So this is really important. And another thing is traffic source, right? You need to have a high quality traffic source. Not all traffic is the same, right? Not all traffic equals sales. So for example, with Google Ads, I would suggest you to start as a beginner, or Facebook ads. Why those two? Because with Facebook, right, you can target by intent, what people follow, who they follow, what they read, what kind of magazines they look at, right? Movies they watch. But with Google Ads, it's all about intent, right? People go there to find solutions to the problems. For example, they will go there to find, let's say, products that they want to buy. They already have the buyer's intent, and this is the most important thing, you see, having the buyer's intent. So if you have the right buyer's intent, of course, when you're promoting, right, to someone with the right buyer's intent, they will most likely purchase and buy the product you are about to sell them or promote, right? So Google Ads, it's really great thing. Targeting by keyword, you can do retargeting, you can create similar audiences. So there are many different options right out there. So if you would like to know exactly how to do it step by step, how to have it done for you, or exactly like done with you, then let me know. Below this video are going to be links to my social media accounts where you can reach out to me. You can also ask me any questions you want, and please just click the links. Let me know if you have any questions, if you want to work with me personally one-on-one, if you want to have done for you affiliate campaigns done for you on Google, right? It's really important to have structure, fundamentals done properly, so you avoid getting your account shut down, right? And you have white hat, long-term sustainable campaigns, right? It's really important to have long-term sustainable profits as an affiliate, so you can find let's say, funding your lifestyle, right? Your life like this, so that you have great results. So do let me know after watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips.